Let's replace the wheel brakes on this 2014 Kia Sportage. Here is the wheel brakes. We're gonna inspect it. It has a pulsation and the wheel brake pads are pretty low. Here are the brake returning screw. First, let's use a hammer, tap it, make so you can break the rust off of it. I want to use a screwdriver to do this, a Phillips head. But if it's giving you a hard time, you're gonna have to use an impact driver and a hammer. I'm using my Milwaukee watcher here to speed up the process. Let's take off the caliper bolt. It is a 40mm. You have the bolt. Now let's use the screwdriver to pry off the caliper. Put it on the side. Let's inspect the slider pin. We're gonna have to remove the tool link that attached to the wheel knuckle. You're gonna use a 19mm wrench like this to hold the nut in place in the back, and use my air gun right there so I can remove the bolt, because the caliper bracket bolt is located behind that tool link. So take the bolt off. I'm gonna use my pry bar here to pry off the tool link off the knuckle. Put it on the side so you can have enough room to remove the bolt. I'm gonna use my 40mm to remove the caliper bracket bolt. Same thing on the bottom. Here it is. Then I use a hammer once again to hit the water so it can break free. Those brake pads are stuck to the caliper bracket, so I'm gonna use a hammer to remove them. Let's remove the old caliper bracket clip hardware. Make sure you get them, because sometimes when you buy a set of brake pads and rotors, they don't come with them. You probably will have to buy them separate. So we're going to clean our caliper bracket here before we install the new hardware. You can use a wire brush to do this. Now let's grease our slider pin so they can move freely. Let's clean our brake hub. You can use the wire brush for this as well. We can use brake cleaner to clean off the rust protection of the new water, or use soap and water. Do the same thing on the other side. Let's install our brake holder with a new screw. Good. Let's install our caliper bracket. Good. Let's grease our new brake pad. Just like that. Good. And now it's time to compress our caliper. I'm gonna use a C-clamp like this or a giant plier so you can compress the caliper. Good. Good. We just put our tool link in place and let's put the bolt and the nut in. We're gonna use the winch once again to hold the nut in place. Good. And that's it, guys. I mean, it's a pretty straightforward brake job. And make sure you pump your brake pedal before test drive. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.